Hey guys, Mike Hilson here from the Chatbot agency. How you doing? Guys, we've built this little business bot. In this case, it's been designed for, let's say, businesses that might offer product, services, a bit of consulting. Okay, so obviously there's three parts to this business. That could, we could also reuse this in such a way for family lawyers, or any type of lawyer for that matter, digital marketing, accountants, bookkeepers, any of those. All right, so let's just jump in. This one we're doing for an audio visual company, and here's the offer. Basically they're overstocked, and we want more detail. So let's click on the Learn More, which will now bring us into the second part of this. Okay, and in order to serve our clients better, we've broken the call to action up into three parts. So rather than take them through the journey through the front door and take them longer, we're going to go straight into, let's say, products. Rightio, they're manufacturer agnostic. We're just going to reinforce what we do. We do video conferencing, LED video walls, smart boards, all that kind of stuff. And if that's for us, we can pop in here and make an inquiry on any of those products. Beauty, okay, what would you like more about? Obviously products. And in one sentence, and go, yep, I would like more information about the Spark board. Now, if we wanted to go a little bit more complex, guys, we'd have an inquiry form for different, one for products, one for services, one for solutions, but we're keeping this bot real simple. The more we add, the more it costs, okay? Let's confirm the email address, mobile number. Okay, boom. That can be shot straight through to the business. Now, that would either be, it could be the business owner that's getting all of this, or you could be actually operating an online store and have no real physical presence whatsoever. So let's pop in here, so we can always jump in and have a look at the contact details. And at the same time, let's share on Facebook. So you can, let's say, promote this particular business, and I go, great customer support. It's all automated, so it's operational after hours, including weekends. Just bought a 3K board. Demo that one is. Okay, post that to Facebook, that's all good. Every little bit of assistance where other people can actually, share some stuff about you. We've got in here also, so solutions and that are about the same. The website, if you've got one, okay, we'll bring that in through a web view so we don't lose the customer, okay. And if they want to call the office, we've got that hooked up with an appointment setter right now, but you might have, we're going to tag that to the number. If we wanted to go for a live chat and get outside the bot and actually speak to someone face to face, we can do that through this method here. So guys, that's the business chatbot. We've You know, if you've got services, we can just build it for services. Same thing with product, but you know, the whole game plan here, guys, is to keep it simple and push people through your funnel as quickly as possible. One other part here, guys, you've got people tagged, and when they are tagged, there is there's a special ID there that you can effectively pick up and create custom audiences and all that kind of stuff. So without further ado, feel free to give us a call. This is Mike Hilson from the Chatbot agency. We're here to help you on Facebook from your ad all the way through to the database. Okay? Catch you later. Cheers. Bye now.